Technology is really the engine that connects our associates to the customers. If it's incorrect, it doesn't negatively affect our business, it stops our business. I'm in a moment in my business's history that's a triage situation. I'm not able to take customer calls, and I'm an inbound call center. When I asked pointedly our Cisco lead engineer, how do I fix my problem? He gave me one name. He gave me the Coleman name. Agora Marketing Solutions is a direct-to-consumer call center. We send out a sweepstakes mailer.
We generate over 100,000 incoming calls per week via direct mail marketing campaign.
And we enter those customers into a sweepstakes, and then we offer them products from our partners. And those products primarily are magazines, but they can be travel partnerships, reward buying programs, those sorts of things.
Agora is a technology-driven company. Our core business is all based on technology. Without technology, phone calls would not get to the sales center floor, would not get to the agents to make those sales.
Everything that we do when we talk to our customers is touched by and affected by technology. So on March 13th of last year, we moved our business, physical location, about 4 miles. And in the process of moving it, we also upgraded our entire technology platform. All of our call center managers to the Cisco call manager system, all of our hardware, all of the infrastructure in our server rooms, and our implementation partner just wasn't up to the task of making sure that things went smoothly.
Prior to engaging Coleman, our call center floor was very unstable. The initial install of the UCC platform did not go well. The call center floor was not functional and we were losing money.
About halfway through what was a critical implementation, it started to fall apart.
Basically, the floor was unstable. We could not keep calls flowing to the agents for any length of time. We needed a partner who could come in and remedy the situation quickly.
When we became engaged with Agora Marketing Solutions, they were experiencing a lot of challenges in regards to the stability of the system. The stability was actually causing them to realize a lot of lost revenues because they just could not take calls from their customers.
Coleman brought to us 2 big differences that lacked in our prior partner. The first is very deep relationships with the hardware manufacturers. When I asked pointedly our Cisco lead engineer, sales engineer, how do I fix my problem? He gave me one name. He gave me the Coleman name. The second reason why I liked Coleman was they had a very hands-on approach. I got the undivided mind share of the best people at Coleman.
What appealed to me most about Coleman was the expertise and experience they brought to the table, specifically regarding the Cisco platform. I could tell immediately by talking to them that they had the experience we were looking for.
We've been very fortunate within the contact center practice to have one of the longest standing relationships with Cisco systems and their certifications. We are Gold certified and Master UC certified.
Coleman assessed the problem and immediately articulated to me the path for the solution. It's going to take this long, it's going to cost this much, and here's what's wrong with your environment, and here's how we're going to fix it.
At the time when Agora Marketing Solutions chose us to build the solution, they felt confident in our ability and our engineering heritage to bring them to a stable environment. At the same time, what really differentiates us was the ability to go in as a true business consultant and learn more about their process and their business and really what their strategy and goals were and help them achieve that through the solution. They
built basically a 90-day process in 30 days. The day we cut over, we went from about an 80% process rate to a 98% process rate.
The solution that Coleman installed was the Cisco UCCE platform, which is the Unified Contact Center Enterprise. Basically, it's an IP-based ACD specific to a call center environment.
They've made this process for us much easier because they have built a platform that is intuitive and they've educated our associates along the way.
We were able to reduce our staff-related costs to the tune of 3 to 1. We were able to eliminate the long-distance charges associated with our remote agents, and we were able to eliminate the costs associated with moving equipment around as agents move from department to department.
Our call center is better equipped because of our Coleman relationship and because of our Cisco relationship than it ever has been. Because I could walk up and listen to a call immediately, I could listen to that call live, I could listen to that call silently, I could participate in that call, I could pull a call and review it based off of any period in time, and that's all because of the relationship.
We engage with Cisco Systems in order to bring Agora Marketing Solutions back to a stable platform, really to make sure that they can still realize the same revenues they had realized before. At the same time, with that partnership with Cisco, we had also engaged a customer in a very intense business consulting project where we found out things of improvement that they could really realize, whether it be self-service automation or find better ways of converting inbound calls into sales.
We have a lot of confidence in Coleman, and that confidence is only growing with them becoming a part of Presidio. It's a bigger team with better relationships, with new solutions and new platforms. We're very excited about it.